Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Life with Style. How are you guys? Hope so you are all doing well in your life and enjoying the best condition of your health. So dear subscriber, warmly welcome to my channel where we bring you the latest trends in the hairstyling. So dear viewers, in this video I will explore the world of Pixie haircut, especially tailored for the medium length hair. In this video you can see very stylish and all the variety of the chic and trendy pixie hairstyle that are perfect for those looking to make a bold and stylish statement. So dear viewers, if you are new at my channel, please subscribe my channel and don't forget to subscribe my channel for more hair inspiration and styling ideas. So join me on this journey to unlock the beauty of the pixie hairstyle for medium length hair. Let's get started. So dear viewers, in this video you can see very stylish and very chic and trendy pixie hairstyle that are perfect for those looking to make a bold and stylish statement. So reviewers discover the versatility of the pixie cuts as I showcases the different variations that suit the various face shapes, textures and personal styles. Whether you are seeking a sleek and sophisticated look or a playful and edgy vibe, I have got you covered by this video. So dear viewers, in this video, you can get these pixie haircuts at home timelessly, so you can rock a stunning new look with confidence. I will also share the valuables and very useful ideas for your hairs according to your personality and your face cut also. So dear viewers, watch my video till end because you can get very amazing ideas about your hairstyle. So keep watching, stay blessed. Thanks for watching.